Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the filter method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. So let's see what filter does. Let's console log here, the title, filter. And the filter method creates an array filled with all array elements that pass a test. Of course, again, provided by a function. Now, you should also note that the filter method does not execute the functions of the array elements without values, and the filter does not change the original array also. So let's create a const. Let's say ages again, and let's pass in here 32, 33, 16, and 40. Now, if I would do here quick console log of ages dot filter, and within here we're going to pass in a specific function which we'll call check for adult. Now it's yelling at me that the function does not exist, so let's create our function. And as I said, this function name is check for adult. We're going to pass in here the array as an argument, and then we will create a let which will filter by something. Okay, and this something will actually be the array itself. Now this array needs to be, let's say, greater than 14, and we wish to return or filter by. So all we need to do now is pass in here the ages array. So now if we execute our callback function, then it's going to check the array if all of the elements are above 14 and return them. And we're getting back 32, 33, 16, and 40. And this is because they are all true for this filter method. Now, if I wish to return all of the elements that are over 16, hit save, then 16 will be not returned. If I wish to return greater or equal to 16, it will also be returned. Now, let's check if all the elements that are over 32, let's say, and let's take out this equal sign, then will only return 2 elements. If I wish to return everything that is over 40, then I'm going to get an empty array. Now let's do a more complex array. So let's say const, and let's say we're going to have friends. And this friends array is going to have a couple of objects with the name of, let's say, Arabella and the age of 20. And I'm going to copy this a couple of times. So, oh, not you, but you. Let's copy it 2 more times. Let's say we have also a friend called Karina. She's 12. And Laura, and she's 16. Now I could again use my function, but now I wish to extract from this. Let me comment out first of all this console log. I wish to extract from the friends, from our friends array dot filter. We're going to use our check adult again. But now our adult cannot check this because we are looping for the entire array. So what I wish to do here is actually check for the array.ages, because now I can select from this array that's going to be passed in here and only look for their age. And now let's say who is over 18, and I'm going to get Arabella. Only Arabella's over 18. Okay, so only she is an adult. And as you can see, if I check for anything else, then it's going to return, let's say if I check for 21, it's going to return an empty array. But please note this time I'm getting back an array with objects, okay? So I hope this is clear and hope you understood filter. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.